Hi, welcome to Krishna's Kitchen Jatpat today. Let's see today.
Take 1 cup milk powder. Take 1 cup of chana dal and grind it. In coffee grinder. Take 1 cup of butter or ghee, 2 cups of milk, few saffron, half a teaspoon of cardamom, 8 to 10 grated almond, 1 cup sugar, let it done until it is a little bit golden brown and you get aroma from this chana dal. Approximately 4 to 5 minutes at medium high heat. See, now our chana dal is done in butter after 4 to 5 minutes, and it is, you get good aroma of chana dal. And now we will add milk, 2 cups of milk, and let it done for 10 to 15 minutes until the milk is burned. 3/4 milk is burned. Take 1 cup milk powder. Is done, and now we will add cardamom powder, and this milk powder. Mix it well. Is ready, and now we will take in a dough and roll the roti. And now take the filling. Take the filling. Let it done on this pan, little bit golden brown. Let me see, it should be golden brown from both the sides, and now you can serve it. Try this sweet roti and have a good taste.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Try this and have a